What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's Saturday evening, October 11th, 2025. I'm about to head on an emergency service call. We have an existing residential client that's got a Weil-McLain CGa4 that we put in about almost 4 years ago. It's got no heat and it's cold out. I'm about to show you step by step an undocumented error and the owner's manual. You guys ready? Let's go! All right, Weil-McLain. We installed this in 2001. Me and Daniel. October 27th, 2001. So she's got no heat. Let's turn that on. CGa4. Alright. There's the intermittent pilot. There's ignition. 69 degrees. Set temperature 80, but economy at 50%. Let's see what goes on here. Customer's complaint, it runs for a little bit and turns off. Yeah, let's see. We're at 69 degrees. We have both zones calling. This is the ground floor, and that's the upstairs. Got some discharge on this T&P valve here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do something with that water heater in the near future. At least it's going into a bucket. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Quickly rising. There we go, look at that. Wow. And jumping all over the place. And it cuts off at an error. Thinks it's 128. Thinks it's 127. That's cool to the touch. Looks to be around 75 degrees, but it thinks it's 130 with an error. Well, you know what we're gonna do. Let's test and not guess. Let's take a look at our temperature probe, which is also acts as a low water cutoff. I do know that the two red wires are on the right side, or the white, and the orange is on the left side. The orange, sorry, the two reds are thermistor 1, thermistor 2. The white is thermistor common, so let's see what this thermistor is reading. Let's go to the bottom and bottom left, bottom right. We have 4230. 4230. So it thinks it's 130 something degrees there. And let's do common to top right. 4200, 4250. There's a new sensor. Let's go from ambient temperature there to there. You got 14, 15. 14. And over there. Well, let's get a hose, drain down this boiler. Let's close water supply. Let's close. Let's close off our returns. Let's open the drain. There goes our pressure. All right. Draining down. Let's just open up this valve right here. Drain down this boiler. Okay. All right. Get in there, baby. Come on, baby. Let's see. Hopefully we'll be all right. We're slowly draining. All right. Here goes nothing. Oh, come on, get in there. There you go. Let's close that. Plastic thing. I guess a deep socket would probably help right now. Let's go a little bit more. Okay. Let's refill this bad boy. That's closed. Let's plug back in the 4-wire Molex connector. Let's watch. Something's not right here. One 11, 12. It's like we're not getting rid of the water. 20. 121, 122. Let's try something here. Uh, 139, 140. Nah. We're not moving the water. Oh, now we're getting hot. 151, yeah. That's hot. Okay. We got some air there. Let's actually do that the opposite direction. Let's go that way with it. Force this water through from the opposite way. 118, 119. All right, let's get rid of the hose. We're gonna drain this hose before I put it back in the truck. It's not winter yet, but it's a good habit to keep the hose empty of water. All right, let's use the thermal imaging camera, confirming everything is heating up the way it should. Here's our supply, 152 degrees, 2 zones, hot and hot. Our returns also looking pretty good. Excellent. And both split returns there, also hot as well. Perfect. All right, 10 minutes to 8, Saturday night, October 11th. Do a quick little overview. Inside the boiler vestibule, we have our stainless steel burners. We have a rollout switch. It's a ceramic fusible disc. So should that sense the right amount of temperature, it'll burn out. Electronic ignition gas valve indicated by PV, PVMV, and MV. Electronic ignition boiler control. There's that temperature low water cutoff sensor. Tridicator gauge. Automatic air valve. Extrometer 15. The Webstone. Ooh. That's disappointing to see. You see that? The greenness on that seam. Webstone, that's disappointing. That is disappointing. Cutoff. Pressure reducing valve. Backflow prevention device. I even bent the copper, look at that, go straight down. Webstone air separator. Webstone circulator isolation flanges. Below, above with purge, Takeo 0015E ECM 3-speed circulator. Honeywell 3-zone switching relay. We only had the 3, so we put in for the 2. There's the old boiler that we had. Yep. We good. We'll deal with that in a later date. Not too shabby, but also very disappointing that that temperature sensor with built-in low water cutoff failed in less than 4 years. But have no fear. When you call Pipe Doctor Home Services for your HVAC issue in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area, you can count on prompt, professional, courteous, and reliable service. 24/6, 365. And we're dog friendly. Ain't that right, Stoley? Give us a call, 516-348 6300, or save time. Book online at pipedoc.net. Ain't that right, guys? I think they're right. Catch you on the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.